She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. Yeah, that's my type of girl. She's my type of girl in my kind of world.
Hi guys, so day after my wedding and I can't put up with the pain any longer. It's really sore. My scalp is like, it feels like it's going to tear off my skin. I just wanted to say I give it up to everyone, that all the women here in Jamaica and all around the world that get their hair braided and corn braided and whatnot, and even the men. I don't know how you guys put up with the pain, ladies and gents. I really don't, but I give it up to you because I can't handle it, not even 24 hours.
Yeah.
And I have to get them taken off. I'm sorry, it's just painful. But yeah, I love having them in my hair. It's just I can't handle the pain on my scalp. It's very sensitive.
Can imagine.
Yeah.
Look at that, guys. So I'm helping her pull them out. Yeah. It was beautifully done though, but yeah.
Yeah, I can't handle it. I can't handle the pain, guys.
That's what's happening.
That's what's happening. So, yeah, it is what it is. You know, maybe one day, you know, Ireland might want to get his hair corn braided, or our next child or daughter or son want to get their hair braided. I'm going to say go for it. It's a great experience. Be prepared to sit down for a few hours. Because I did. So yeah, my head is feeling swollen and sore. So yeah, big ups to all the ladies out there that do this on a regular. Yeah, it's a good experience, definitely. Hey Bobo. Hey mister, what are you doing? You want to talk? You want to talk?
Yes, it's you.
Yeah, I know. Look at him. You want to talk?
Yes, it's you talking.
What's wrong? Really? Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
You want the camera? You want to talk? You want to talk to everybody?
Yes.
You want to talk?
He's so
I
excited.
know. He wants to talk to everyone, guys. He's a. I don't know how to do this. He's a cute little boy. Maybe I'll put the camera there. He can talk to you. Alright. Want to talk? Talk to the people. Say hi. Talk. Talk to them. Say hi everybody. My name is Island. Starboy. Yeah. Yeah. What do you say? What do you say, Bobo?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. 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 Go on. Tell them. Really? Oh, look. All gone. Yeah. Gone. Daddy, help mommy. Daddy, help mommy. This is always something else. Hi.
He's so curious on the camera.
What? What is it? Daddy's boy. Daddy's boy? Dada? Dada. Mama. Dada, mama. You're a smart boy. Yes, Bobo. Okay. Hey. Hey. Okay. What do you say? What do you say to the people then? What's everybody doing today? Welcome to Island's channel. What do you say? Talk to the camera. Talk to the camera. What about mama? Mama doesn't get a mama? Huh? Stop rubbing your bottom. Your neck is gonna get your bum's gonna get rash. Ah, that's sore, babe. What?
So you're gonna cuss the camera now?
What happened? Why are you wow for? You happy mommy and daddy tied the knot? You happy mommy and daddy? Okay.
I think you just pull the camera to yourself.
Hey!
You're too smart. You boy. Guys, look at Maria. Look at her right now. Look at her here. Watch her here. Look mad right now.
It was so painful, guys.
Oh
It's still
my
painful
God.
now. Like, it's killing me.
Yeah, I had to pull out the roots and all of that.
There's all the hair, guys, on the floor. Watch it, I'm not wearing bra.
It's a lot of hair.
It's a lot of hair, guys. Anybody want hair? Come and pick it up. Yeah, I feel like I've got hair in my throat. That's how much hair came out.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, guys.
Yeah. And I might be cutting my hair soon. So look out for that.
Yeah, he's
Oh
cutting
my
his hair,
God.
guys. He's still gonna be sexy anyway.
Oh my goodness. A lot of people not gonna like that though. You.